Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
All right, we here. What up, Tris? Good afternoon. Trying to get everything set up here. I don't have anything marked out yet. Just kind of got onto the charts. Took a little gold scalp there. Nothing crazy. Would like to have taken it on another account, but unfortunately, I don't have that one. Or do I have that one pulled up? Oh, I actually do. I didn't realize it. Is it on G? Yeah, it's on there too. Alright, cool. I would have taken that over here had I known that. Had I been paying attention. I can't tell where that needs to go. Alright, let me see where the next one is. We're down here at it now. Kind of got that. Alright. See if I can get this on here in time. I don't know that I can. No, it already bounced. What up, Tony? Boomer Trader, how's it going? What do we do here? Gotta go control. It bounced off that level once already. We are at the top of the hour too, so I don't know. I don't have these levels marked out over here. Alright, tag me in on the gold trade. One tick away. There we go, tagged out. Alright, let's bring this over here so you guys can see this one that I'm trading. Let's just put that one right there. And yeah, there we go. So there's the gold trade I just took. I don't have the lower ledges marked out yet. I'm working on it, guys. But just took that $100 there on a funded account. Are you seeing the crazy oil related headlines coming out tonight? No. I have not seen that yet. Not seen it yet. So nice little win there on gold. Already had a couple of opportunities on gold this one. And then we created a ledge here that actually paid again. So that's 2 trades. This ledge here paid as well, and now this lower ledge just paid. But I need to start marking out the lower stuff down here. Alright, let's get this lower stuff marked out. This one down here at the 100 level, that's going to be the better one. So in discount of the range. But that being said, I don't even know tonight. I might just take them all. Might just take them all. I'm not sure. We might just take them all. We don't know. We not sure. We not sure. Sorry guys, I haven't even looking at the Nasdaq yet. I'm going to get to it. I'm going to get my gold levels marked out first. So I don't know if I'm going to take this one. I'll probably bypass that one. Probably. What up, Adam? Mo in the house. Alright, let's mark out our stuff on NQ. Need to go to the higher time frame here. But let's just take 6 o'clock. Closes here. 947.50. Just going to mark that out. Open is here. 940. Clearly looking a little bit bearish, just right out of the gate here. Let's go to the higher time frame so we can mark out some levels. What up, futures trader? Refresh. Let's make sure this is correct. So we ran that 208. We left the 243. Oops. Leaving relative equal highs there. Relative equal lows down there at 981. Not really. Pretty good bounce back up. Really good bounce back up, actually. We've swept this. Come into kind of a lot of support down here at the 702. Kind of mark this level out here. Could look for a little bounce play off this level. Potentially. Alright. Kind of bounced off of it. I didn't quite get to it, right? I'm going to take a little bounce play maybe down here. I think overall, I mean, tough to know which way we're going here, but certainly look bearish. Next, let's post. Let's get the newsletter posted here. I don't know if I'm keen on taking the 126 level here. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Because if we zoom out over here, this is not really like a clean ledge. You can see it's like an up close candle. But I do still think it works. Actually, kind of missed a ledge there too. Starting to get some movement here. So I'll probably bypass this one. Maybe look for that lower 90 area. Let's see, that one did not get created. That one did at what time though? 6:15. Pretty early on. Still would have paid 2 points. All right. Just thinking out loud here. What up, Michaela? Think it's blowing through all that to the downside and completely rebalance? Maybe. You're over at Room Beats's? Good day, Ruffy. Over at Room's house? What are you doing over at Room's house? Bow chicka wow wow. Oh. I had no choice, guys. I had no choice. I had no choice. What's up, Sovereignty? I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it, guys. I couldn't get on here and not make the noise, you know, after they say they're over there. Teaching him how to trade? Yeah. Buy low, sell high, or something to that effect. I mean, whatever is your fancy. Buy high, sell lower? I don't know. I'm not sure. High trades in the house. What up? Trying to get some stuff posted here. Look at that thing go. Look at that thing go. Look at that thing go. Look at that gold go. All right, guys, I'm going to place an order down here. Then I'm going to go 700. All right. I'm going to give it a little tap into there and a little bounce out of there. That's what we're going to go. 700. Look at gold. Just look at her do her thing. Just look. Would you just look at it? Would you just look at it? Gold's so pretty. It's so nice. So nice. Guys, it's already given you 3 trades. 3 trades already, all winners. This ledge here, obviously, winner. Then it creates a new ledge, winner. Then it trades into this ledge, winner. Just bang, bang, bang. Bang, 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 bang. All right. What up, Lassifor? Doing good. Son of Wall Street in the house. Just blew 3-funded looses trying to buy the dip. Oh, that sucks. That sucks. Just finished for the night in the green. Can't argue with it. Cannot argue with it. Who wants to argue with it? I'm telling you guys, I'm about to get these funded accounts ripping on gold over here. We took that one trade already, 100 bucks. I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but that's pretty good. It's pretty good. Pretty good to me. The boys got smoked tonight, 11-0. They got run ruled. That's why we're here. The only positive thing about the run rule is that, you know, we're home early. Jackson did not even play, though. I don't know why. He started every game this year, but they didn't play him tonight. I don't know if they planned on maybe pitching him and just didn't get him into the situation. I'm not sure, but he didn't play. He did not play. Which I'm not going to complain because there are parents who never get to see the kids play, so their own kids. So we're not complaining. Sucks to get run ruled because, you know, you always you figure your kid could help, right? Maybe you could have given a little help, but it is what it is. All right, I got the newsletter posted here. What up, cool? F4 Market Edge. Sovereignty, did I get your email? Yeah, I don't know. Did you send me an email? You passed 2 Apex. Let's go. Top 40 brand. Tris, how's it going? I passed 1 Apex today myself. Is the Rapid the same as the TPT minus 5 days to pass? Similar. He's in 9th grade, Nate. So he plays in the junior varsity. It's similar, but you do have to a minimum payout threshold for the daily payout is 250, I believe, which would take Private Trader. There is no minimum daily payout threshold. So, for example, I made 115 today, and I'm going to move that over into my wallet tonight and protect those profits. And then, yeah, so that's the main difference. You can't request anything until it's over 250, I believe, with a rapid. It's the only that's the only difference really that I know of. All right, let's see what Mancini's talking about. I'm just gonna read the thing. In summary for tomorrow, today, whatever. We remain in a tight range in ES after Monday's 200-point rally. Support is mostly 67.69. We're far below that. Is this today's newsletter? Am I on the right day? Yeah, trade plan Thursday. My general lean is deferred to the trend as long as 67.69 holds. I mean, hell, we're nowhere near 67.69. What's he talking about? Oh, I guess we were up there at open. I see. Breakout above 61. All right, well, that's kind of out the window, if you will. Ponzi in the house. All right, let me see here. I got to send over some emails. I'm a little bit behind on the account creation, guys. A little behind. I don't know if I'm going to take this ledge here that we just created, but I might. We'll see. All right, guys, we're going to start the giveaway here in a few moments. If you guys haven't already, hit the like button. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. If you want to help support the channel, remember 89% off does end tonight with Bulanux. 89% ends off tonight. Use coupon code MM if you want to pick up an account. Lego. Lego, Lego, Lego. All right. Happy Wednesday, Josh. Smash the like button. Let's go. I trades gap fill 710. Yeah, I'm looking for a bounce at 700. Udaman at 4. Good morning, Desiree. Yeah, let me find this here. What time we got? 8:16. All right, so we created another ledge here technically. Do we take that? Do we take that? I don't know. Plenty of action to go around. Happy kids, how's it going? Let me go ahead and send these emails over before I forget. All right, let me see here. All right. Let's see here. Just watching here, guys. I got my orders out there. We'll see. Who am I missing? Did I feel like I missed. Okay, let's see. All right. What up, Trader Oracle? 2 trades, 100% win rate. Let's go. Yeah, that's right. Go. I took one of them, Oracle. I missed the first two. Hoping to give your GC strategy a go. Let's go. Yeah, I took this one here, as you can see. I just took it for a point. But you had this wick here into this ledge, bounced. And then we had this one bounced, this one bounced. So let's see kind of what happens. Yeah, it was working really well. I mean, it's 3 for 3 so far tonight if you took every one of them. I only took one because I wasn't in front of the chart. But let's go. I like it. I like it. I'm telling you, it's so easy. It's so too easy, as Smokey might say. It's too easy. It's too easy, bro. If you guys have not entered the giveaway, please do so. What up, BK in the house? I mean, do I take this ledge here? I don't mind it. Could do that. Timbo Trades in the house. Let's go. Got a bounce order sitting down there on the NQ. I might, let me get my other account connected because I'm going to get this other account connected and I'm going to go micro. We're going to get this on there. I don't know that you can trade micro gold though on this connection. I don't know if Bulenox has micro gold. I think they only have regular gold. I think they only have GC. Well, it does look like they have regular gold or micro gold. Will it let me actually place an order though? Okay, it does. All right, good. So let's go 50. 150. Let's get on the right account. 9661. Here we go. So we'll go here. And yeah, I don't have one on this. So let me see if I can 126, 5099.5. All right, got those two in there. What up, Raul? What happened to the baseball game? We got smoked. We got bent over and took it up the Punisher in the house. Bewley has NGC. Nice. Is this set to run back to the open? Maybe. I don't know. I'm looking for a bounce down at 700. So hit the like button, says Miss K. Let's go. I like it. Let's go. Smash the likes. Yeah, we're up to 94.19. I think we might have... Did we lose some subscribers since start of the stream? I think we did. Where are we at, like 94.20? I don't even know. See if we can get to 94.50 tonight. We'll try. Still ain't got the code, Mo? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You want to get funded to get a payout? Me too, bro. I want to get a payout too. That's why I'm doing the daily payout thing from Take Profit Trader. Taking it slow, guys. Taking it slow. I mean, we're very close on Bulenox to a payout. Let me show you guys. Look how close we are on Bulenox to a payout. $431. I'm sorry. Is that right? $441. So I could smash one gold trade for 5 points and I'd be there. But, you know, I'd be there. What up, Keegan? Did I miss your comment, Keegan? I hope I didn't. I hope I didn't. Look at gold just a going. Gold's going. You were saying the unsubscribers are rude. You are right. If they did unsubscribe, I don't know. It could. You never know with that. It could just be YouTube doing its thing. You know what I mean? You never know. Guys, we're going to be requesting our big money payout, okay? Our big money. Listen, I'm going to show you guys how big a money it is, all right? Listen, hey, we'll take it. $90.80. Let's go. I think that puts us at $945 on the week. That's not bad. Adam, I mean, you're going to have to really just kind of, you're going to have to just wait and, you're going to have to do better with your discipline. That's all. Gold is more bounce to the ounce. Yeah, for sure. For sure. That's why we're in it. Also, guys, if you're not using my code on Take Profit Trader, I can't do giveaways on Take Profit Trader if we don't hit the bonuses. We are way behind this month on Take Profit Trader for whatever reason. I don't know why. But we're still 54 sales away from the first bonus. And then, you know, another 25 sales on top of that. So 79 sales away from getting the 5 accounts to give away. So there you go. Got to use the code if you want the giveaways. TPT only rewards you if you make the tiers. You don't make the tiers, they don't reward you. It is what it is. Don't spend it all in one place. I'm going to try not to. Try not to. Yeah, you could just buy the course, Adam, for sure. The bill for the chat dinner's on me. Oh, goodness. People are still paying for Christmas. Listen, I don't know if I'm still paying for Christmas this year, but, you know. Gonna need a pullback here. A shawarma for dinner. Not that fancy. I don't know what a shawarma is. I don't know if I know what that is. I'm not sure. How do you set your stops? I have the stops at 15 points, but they're kind of just there for vanity. The stop, I mean, really, it wins so often that do you really need a stop? Probably not, but, you know. You could probably roll without a stop. What food specialty does Georgia have? Peaches, maybe? Georgia peaches, and we're not talking about booty. We're not talking about the booty. Pita bread. Oh, it's a popular Middle Eastern street food. Marinated meat, typically chicken, beef, or lamb, slow roasted on a vertical spit. Let's see, I wouldn't know anything about that. Sean in the house. You'll smoke to that, Miss K. Let's go. Let's go. We need to get a little jamming out action tonight with a little bit of slow grind music. Those Georgia peach stores are great. Peach cider mix. Nice mixer with your favorite juice. Yeah, a little bump and grind music, Sean. Timbo loves it. Sean's always here to start trouble. Always trying to start trouble. Guys, got 94 viewers. Let me see how many likes we got. 62 likes. That's it.
I used to make love to you daily. When the night felt the same.
Oh, goodness. Sean, you can win tonight's account. I wonder if R. Kelly was ever at a Diddy party. Anybody ever thought about that? Yeah, we're going to give away a My Fun and Futures account. I wonder if he was ever at a Diddy party. It's a high probability. You think he was peeing on people? He might have been. Has everybody seen the Dave Chappelle skit, How Old is 15 Really? Yes, Inside Bars market Love to Freedom. And it's called Inside Bars. If you look right here, It's just called Inside Bar. And I just turn them white. Diddy and Kelly sitting in a tree.
See what I'm saying? You said you just got up with this fool. What you gonna do?
I want to be with you.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, man. Let's do this.
I played the whole skit for you guys. You think YouTube will pick up on that? Maybe. Volatility trading in the house. Tim Vesh. What up, Tim? We're waiting over here, Tim. We're waiting. Lino. Tim loves it. He loves it. Hi. Bye. I'm here. I'm out. I'm here. No, I'm not. I'm gone. You're going to bed already? What up, Kish? Celebrity in the house. He's a big TL guy. TLC? What's a TL? BK was never here. Oh, Trader's Lunch. Oh, okay. Makes sense. Well, looks like Price is just going without me here. Do we try a little 50 EMA rejection? Actually, I might. Yep. I'm going to try a little rejection here off the 90. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. I don't know. A little nighttime work. What up, my lumps? I got your whole crew in here. Who's your crew? I don't know. TJP in the house. They're probably my crew and they just pretend to like you. Let's go. That's right. Oh. Come on, Gold. Give me a pullback entry. I don't take the shorts, but it does look like you just got 5 points off that. Tori was the best trade trader. She probably is. I'm not. I don't claim to be. I'm like top 78 at most. Exactly. You just cheat. You guys think my stop's too tight? Not really getting reaction off this level that I was thinking we might.
Guys. Now you know, and I know, I did bump every hole in the wall, y'all. Did you?
So tight you can't hear it. That's right. Listen, Mo, I gotta throw some out there just to kind of get Tim. Give a little needle into Tim there. He's not a fan of this kind of music that I listen to here. Man, gold is just going to the freaking moon. All right, send it to me, Tim. Let me see what Tim's talking about. Hold on. I'm going to listen to this before we just play it. Because, you know, it could be like penis, 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 vagina, vagina, vagina. You know, that's stuff that Tim likes to listen to. So, today is our 2-year anniversary, Tim. Did you see that? Just got one of the new Apex accounts funded. Let's go. I did too. I don't know, it just came up.
FM and the monitors humming. I can hear the ghost of the Nasdaq coming. My pulse is a ticker, my blood is the ink. I'm standing right here on the edge of the brink. Trade and I'm touching the sky. King in a chair with a digital. The market don't care about the plans that I made. I'm a prisoner bound to the price of the trade. The margin is thin and the walls are closing.
Let's go, Mike.
Is this a breakthrough or a beautiful sin? 'Cause I'm all in. Green till the end of time. The highs are a fever, the lows are a grave. I'm losing the soul that I'm trying to save. And if this fails, if the candles go black, there's no turning round, there's no way back. I don't know who I am if I'm not in the screen, just a ghost in the static, lost in the machine. Lost in the machine. I watched them up from my life disappear into the silence that follows. It's making.
It's coming through weird. I don't know. Sounds okay on my side. I can hear it. Sounds like a breakup song. It's a bit wavy. Yeah, that does sound like something that Tim would like. AI slop. What up, Darrell? Oh, might be plus 200 for the 50K account. Nice job, Mike, though. Let's go. Trades by Now likes the music. Country music talking about markets isn't right. Was that country music vibe? I don't know. I don't think it was. Was it? I don't think it was. If your payout somehow gets rejected, you're going to cry. Who's it through, Mike? One more? Mo, was it a soft rock song? I was going to say something different. All right, let me see what this one is. You guys don't like this music, it's Tim's fault.
Yeah. Alarm buzzing, screen glowing, coffee sipping, charts loading slow, yeah. Quiet morning, mind sharpened, ready and green like the market's talking. Stack calm in the corner. Patience pain, I'm the sniper, not the runner. Solve over, buy, oversell. Deep breath, one click. I can feel it in my cells. The limit set tight. Wrist lock, hands steady, I was built for the fight. All the doubt, being ready. Price creeping to my line. Heart barely makes a sound. Then that quick taps mine, and the whole world pounds questioning. I'm crushing it, day trade demon. Hey! Green candle stacked on my pledge, I'm meaning.
I'm reading the words.
In a do quick, out quick, I'm cleaning. Back so fat, that drawdown leaning. Crushing it, touch screen gleaming. Click so cold, whole squad daydreaming. Brick so small, but the game I'm fiending. If there's one king here, you seen him. Open bell rings, I'm patient, I chill. Let them all chase.
Timbo said, I can't understand a single word. Oh, what did somebody say? Got to subscribe to TradingView to be able to execute the trades? Yes. What are you selling something? Trading bots? Nah, I don't use trading bots. It's just me, or it sounds like it's struggling to send it through. I don't know. Let me see. Hold on. No, I can't. I can't hear it yet. I don't hear it. All right, guys. Finally getting a little pullback here on gold. What time is it? We've got about 15 minutes till top of the hour, where we'll probably find some volatility. Some volatility. Hopefully. Cuts in and out. I don't know. I'm not sure. It could be, I don't know. It could be the way that these settings are. I'm not sure. Guys, enter the giveaway exclamation point MM in the chat. Hit the like button, subscribe, all the stuff. Let's go. Probably the shirt I'm wearing. You know how long I've had this shirt? I've had this shirt, I don't know, probably 15, 20 years. This shirt's been through some things. It's been through some things, I'm telling you. Looking for a long down here off the set, well, 700s. Got my orders out here on Trader's Launch. We've taken a $100 winner already on gold. A couple of orders out there. And then over here on Bulanox. I was going to trade my Take Profit Trader account tonight, but I do have an eval I can toss on there. Guys, remember the 89 cents, 89%, not cents, off Bulanox Insight. Yeah, Tim, I'm on Trader's Lunch. I'm a funded. I'm taking the funded accounts on gold. Let's go. Taking my funded accounts on gold. All right, here you guys go. Music taste all over the place. Yeah, me too. All over the place. Although I do kind of tend to stick to a certain, set of music anyway. But it's still all over the place.
Arm me with harmony.
TPT, Trader's Lunch, Bulanox, and what other props allowing gold to trade? Gold, my funded futures. Let me just go TPT, my funded futures, Bulanox, Tradeify, Trade Day, should be day traders, Lucid, Trader's Launch. Yeah, all of those. Almost all of them except for Apex. I think Apex is the only one that outright banned it, right? As far as I know. Bubba Sparks. Mo, do you know where Bubba Sparks is from? I know Bubba Sparks' dad. He's from Athens. My Funded Futures, Chris, yeah, you can trade MGC. You can't trade GC. All right, Tim, appreciate you. See ya. Do I have any Lucid Flex accounts? Yep. We'll be trying the 50K account this Friday. Let's go, Gold. Roger. I have 5 Lucid Flex accounts funded. 5 funded accounts. Yeah, Athens, Georgia, Mo. That's where he's from. His dad's name is Paul Brown. He used to own a car dealership in Athens many years ago called Paul Brown Motors. Unless I'm thinking of somebody else. Is that not Bubba Sparks? Dave was born in Athens. Let's go. Me too, Dave. Go Dogs. Is that Bubba Sparks? Is that, or am I mixing him up with somebody else? I'm pretty sure that's Bubba Sparks. Could be Colt Ford. I think I'm mixing him up with Colt Ford. Yeah. I'm mixing him up with Colt Ford. Yeah, he is. Bubba Sparks is still from this general area, though. I think I'm mixing him up with Colt Ford. I don't know. I could be wrong. Joom here. When you have added MGC J6 in my trade of 8, it says data is delayed. So, Chris, what you got to do is you got to go to the billing section of My Funded Futures. So go to the My Funded Futures website, go to the billing section, and enable the. You got to enable the data there. I'll tell you what it's called. I think it's called CBOT. But let me make sure. Once you enable it, then you'll have access to it. ComEx. Yeah, that's it. ComEx. Thought you were on evals on the funded, blew the account. Dang. That sucks. That sucks. Never like to hear that. I've done that before too. I actually kind of did that the other week, but I did recognize I was on the eval with a chance to get out, and I just didn't do it. Guys, we need 23 more subscribers to get to 80. Or I'm sorry, 9450. Can we do it? As you guys are coming in, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and let's jump into the giveaway. Exclamation point MM in the chat. If we create another ledge here, I will place a buy order on that ledge as well. Still got 3.5 minutes left on this candle. We are coming into the top of the hour too, so kind of see if that happens. I mean, theoretically, if we're super bullish here, we may not come back to this. Although, I mean, if we kind of zoom out, we're kind of just grinding, not really any like clean directional action, which is okay. And I'm looking for the NQ to bounce back into this order block on the hourly, and just look for a reaction out of there for some points. All right. I'm going to be patient on the Nasdaq today, guys. And if it's not something clear, I'm not taking it. I'm not just going to be jumping in. All right, all right. Anybody join us today on My Funded TV? Were you guys there? Who was there? Who was there? Joe Alot. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Rick was there. Let's go. Dave was there. Happy kids. Happy Kids was his first day there. He'd never been there before. Today was his first day. Digital nukes. Chris, you've enabled market data subs under billing. Now all set. Let's go. No, you don't have to do that for Lucid. Leighton was there. Thank you, thank you. Raul's there every day. You the man. But yeah, no, you don't have to do anything for Lucid. It should just be there. I'm very close to a payout on Lucid, guys. We need $440 more or 3 $100 days to hit payout on Lucid. So sure would be nice to get there by Monday. That'd be nice. No announcement today, or F4 Market Edge. They did, I think Luke did announce, he did announce the sale. We got a new promotion on the Rapid plan. I'll show you. And then they're also going to be doing a leaderboard, a daily leaderboard. The daily leaderboard. So here's the new deal on the Rapid plan. $97. You get 38% off using code MM. 2 uses per person. 2 days to pass. Daily payouts. 90-10 profit split. There you go. New and existing. You haven't watched My Fun and Futures in so long. Get over there. Why don't I have the points chat? Because I turned it off. I'm not a huge fan of the points chat. All right, so we created a swing here. It's very, very high. Very, very high here. I mean, we are ultra bullish, though. I don't know. I'm going to take it. We're in. Oh, my headphones are beeping. Oh, I forgot the top of the hour was coming, guys. Come on, bounce it. Let's go. Yeah, I forgot the top of the hour is almost here, so. Am I cooking tonight? We cooking! Stream with Cove in the mornings, and then you're working on Traders Lunch stuff, all your needy affiliates. Oh. Got a lot more to go, but been doing back testing on the 15-minute orb breakout, and it's looking like the second break, not the first, seems to print more points. Interesting. Very interesting routine. All right, there we go, guys. We're 2 for 2 tonight on gold. Only 2 trades that we've taken. It's offered 4 opportunities. Again, you're seeing me take 1 point. You're just seeing me take 1 point here. There's 2 different ways to work this. You can either go for 5 or you can go for 1. I like the 1 point on the smaller funded accounts, and then I like the 5 with a micro on the other accounts. I know that sounds weird, but that's the way I'm doing it. That's the way I'm doing it. Really need affiliates named Myth and Coke Can. Oh, Coke Can. Coke Can. Mr. Coke Can. Look at this, guys. I'm going to show you guys this right here that I'm just noticing. Look at this trend line here. What do you think Nasdaq's going to do to this trend line at the top of the hour? I'm leaning towards a run through this trend line at the top of the hour. That's my lean at the 9 o'clock hour. I think I said 8. Little bear flags, exactly. 1 point. I don't know what the volume is, Doc Tito. We're just taking 1 point for $100. You gonna bust another trend line? Do it. Do it. But yeah, this ledge here is very high. It's not that clean either yet. I mean, really, you'd want to see this really, maybe, and then kind of pull back. But I took it early. Sometimes I do that. It's fine. But yeah, let's see kind of what happens here at the top of the hour. We got about a minute and 20 seconds. Let's see. If we start to just dump, then I'll take these order off. I'll take the backdoor action, potentially. We'll take the backdoor action. We'll take the backdoor action. We're up $200. Let's hear a little Busta Rhymes. We can do it. Volume equal contracts or same amount of contracts as 5 points. I have no idea, Doc Tito. So it just depends. I'm going one mini for 1 point for $100, or one micro for 5 points for $50. The risk on the mini is much higher. You're risking basically $1,500. The micro you're risking $150. So it's just up to you. But yeah, the ledge strategy is pretty simple. You're just looking for swings, right? See the swing here? And then instead of looking to buy the wick, you're buying the body on the 5-minute candle. So you can see the bodies of the 5-minute candle on the swing is right there. So I'm going to buy the body. Zoom out here, you can see the trades from earlier. Same thing here. This is the body of this 5-minute candle here. What happened? Price came down, hit the body, rippage up. Same thing here. Hit the lower ledge, hit it, rippage up. So, and you can say this ledge just paid the 5 points again. 6.5 points. Let's go. So nice. Last time you bought the body, you got arrested. Hey, you got to be careful. You got to be choosy with which bodies you buy. But I do have a video on it on my channel. Yes, Raul. Same one. Same video. So there's top of the hour. Getting a squeeze going. Let's see if Nasdaq breaks that trend line and Sean has the explosion. I don't know. We'll see. There you go. Now this ledge is valid. You could buy this again. You could buy here. Could buy there next. Could. We might do it. Yes, OnlyFans channel. Yes, 100%. No problem, F4. And the gold strategy is killing it right now. I think we're 61 for 64. Pretty sure that's the results. 61 for 64. We've taken 3 losses. However, one of the losses really I shouldn't count, but because I took the loss, I'm going to count it. Because I did not get my ad in. If I got my ad in, my average would have been lower. And therefore, we would have been out of the trade at the 5 points. But yeah. But I'm still counting it. So 61 of 64. I don't even know. What is that? I mean, that's, you know, that's not even a good win percentage. It's not even a good win percentage, right? I mean, who would even keep up with 61 for 64, you know? And then my footed futures. All right, guys, to the moon here. Nasdaq's not breaking that trend line like I kind of thought it would. We took that double bottom since it was also the VWAP EMA 200. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, I don't have the 200 stuff on. Are you talking about on gold? I'm assuming down here. There's a nice double bottom. Gold got a rip. It did. If we get a pullback, we'll take it. We'll take it. What up, Dennis? Just lost your 3 50K Apex accounts due to kinetic internet outage. You switched from Spectrum. So you switched from Spectrum to kinetic. Dennis, you must live close to me because those two options are only available in like Georgia, Kentucky. I don't know. I can't even think of another state. Where do you live? What state are you from? Fun Game Hero Video. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Too bad Apex still messes around with gold. Yeah, they'll eventually get it. Oil was on fire after the market opened. Yeah, I didn't even look at oil yet tonight. Let me see. Let me see what Errol's doing. Yeah, Errol's kind of pushing up too. I'm curious about something with Earl. Back up into the 90s there on the oil, 94. Yeah. Earl's back spiking. Are you messing with Earl today, Design? That's the question. Just ban trading futures? Nah. It's a pretty weak looking candle. Do I take this? Do I take this is the question. I don't think I'm going to take it here. I'll take it over here on the where I'm only risking 150. I'm only risking 150 bucks. I'll take it over here. All right, look at Nasdaq here, guys. If we get a bearish close below 75, we'll get short. We'll get shirt. No close there. I'll watch the 5-minute here as well. See how this 5-minute candle closes too. Tagged in on gold. Look at that 5-minute candle. That is a beastly. All right, we're in over here on gold. Because why not? If it loses, so what? Right? So what? Would have already given me the point. You're up 13K today? Let's go, Philip. Nice job. I like it. Maybe a little liquidity grab down here off this trend line. Come on, gold, bounce it. Bounce it. Bounce it. Yes, at the VWAP here. You have time to smoke before a giveaway? Yeah, for sure. For sure. Gold's taking a sweet time tonight. I'm taking that, guys. I'm just taking that. You thought Spectrum was bad. Kinetic is on the tubes. Which prop am I trading on gold? I'm trading everything, Dennis. Trader's Launch, Lucid, Bulenox, all of them. That was one tick away from my take profit, guys. One tick away. It's going to hit it. It's going to hit it, but I don't know. I don't like it when it's slow like that. It annoys me, but yeah, it's going to hit it. It's going to hit it. 100%. We know it. Plus 10K today, 1K across 10 accounts. Nice, nice. What up, Jack? It's going to bounce. It's going to go. Last night NQ ripped after hitting 109. It did. It did. I told you 109 was the draw. We knew it. There's the target. All right. Anybody take that gold trade and hold it? I didn't. Plus 300 for the day. Yeah, that's insane, isn't it, Jeffrey? I didn't do that good. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You took it, Rafi. Nice. Good job. I paper handed it. I don't know why, because like we've clearly, like these trades are sometimes the best. Like if we look, we've clearly created a range here. We kind of already broke out of this range to the downside and grabbed some liquidity. So like, I don't know, nothing about this looks bearish. So I don't know why I didn't hold it. Send me 500, I'll let you give a homeless man one PP touch with your hand. Let's go, Brett. Nice job. Sean loves giving out free PP touches, guys. Free PP touches. He loves it. He loves the touches. I was only risking 150 bucks too. I don't know why I was like that about that. Exclamation point MM in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway, guys. We need 19 more subscribers to get to 9450 tonight. So get on your alt account. Subscribe, hit the like button. Let's go. Sean, I got a DM today. Oh, nice, Rafi. Cool. I got a DM from Cream Puff Rosy Bun. Says, hey, I just saw your profile and had to say hi. What's your name? So yeah, that tells you that's a bot. That's a bot. So Crystal just locked down another $1,950 payout from Apex. She's really making it tough on me to try to catch her. So she'll be taking out $1,950 from Apex. I'm going to have to get on my ball. I got to get on my horse here and catch up with her. I think that's her 5th payout since December. Yeah. ASL. No. John. Oh. Yeah, she's over there killing it. Over there killing it. So, Crystal's my other half. She's not streaming. Yeah, I am, Kevin. Age, sex, location. Kind of creating this range here on gold. It might just grind right here in this range. Do you guys think I should buy this ledge one more time? Except this time buy it on a mini? I did not press the button. I should have pressed the button there. It would have paid already. It would have paid already. I chickened out. I chickened out. Yeah, exactly, Larry. Congrats. Oh yeah, she's probably watching. Man, look at that just trap. That trap the sellers there. Below that trend line. 5 minute never closed below, so that's why I didn't take the trade. Going into the fight room online chat and everyone would be arguing with each other. Yeah, you would go into like Yahoo. You'd log on to Yahoo through your dial-up. It'll be like, I can't even do it. I can't do it. You guys know what I'm talking about. That phone sound, the buzzing. And then, yeah, you'd be in there chatting away, and then all of a sudden somebody would call in, kick you offline. Kick you offline there. So up $31 on one, or actually $29.48 on one funded account. And what are we up on this account? 192. You're in Greensboro, North Carolina. I'm in just outside of Athens, Georgia, Northeast Georgia. The good old days, that's right. Mom will pick up the phone because your video game was too loud. Yeah. Yeah, I'm in Northeast Georgia. Just outside of Athens. Born and raised here in this area. So, born and raised. Still holding? Let's go. I don't really have an idea as to where we're going on the NQ, to be honest. I mean, we're generating a lot of trend line liquidity to the downside. I don't love that. Eventually, it's going to push down. Yeah, it's pretty slow. Can't believe I didn't take that gold trade. Why did I take that again? Why did I get scared? I mean, what am I scared of? Come on. Trade the data. The data says it's a 95% chance it's going to win. That's what it says. So why consider anything else? And I don't know what the data is on the 1 point. I mean, it's probably higher than that. Probably higher than that. That's probably going to be the last gold opportunity tonight, most likely. I mean, do you want to come back to the whale one more time? This area here reminds me of last night. Let's look back at last night. Right here. Does that look familiar, guys? Look how many times that level paid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like, paid 5, 6 times. This looks a lot like that. It's the start of that, if you will. This gold stayed in that range for like 3 hours. Let's go, Rick. Nice job. Go Dogs, GFL. Does GFL stand for Georgia, Florida Line? I don't know. I'm not sure.
We both know that it ain't right. If you let me, please.
Let's go, Rick. Yeah, I really haven't even checked the comments on that video. Hopefully I don't have any that I haven't responded to. Maybe a few there. Looking to get out around 24,805. Let's go. Yeah, almost there. Almost there. Let me see. Yeah, a couple of comments. Anyone else? Trading View frozen. Probably get stopped out here, but was a good trade, yeah. And Apex 150K end of day at 154.6. How much can I withdraw? $500. Wish you could stay up for London, Larry. Yeah, it's tough. 500 bucks. Neo's long in here. Let's go. Oh, okay. I'm just making sure. I don't know. GFL. Oh, I was hoping you wouldn't, but I never know. I never know. I mean, if we're looking at longs, like if I'm looking at this from, you know, just from like a target standpoint. I mean, these are very good targets here. 823. You want to see a close above here on the 2 minute. That should theoretically take you to 823. Problem is we already closed above there once. I don't know. Looks like 823 is going to be the short-term draw. Does Apex have a daily payout max? No. So you can't take, nice job, Philip. You can't take daily payouts on Apex. So the way it works is, hold on, let me turn this music down a little bit. Yeah, the way it works is once you get to on any size account, the minimum payout is $500. Now, I'm talking about minimums. We're not talking about the maximum there, but the minimum is $500. So, for example, you said you're on 150K end of day. So let's look at it. Let me look at it. So right now you got 5 trading days, no payout reviews. Let me go to the frequently asked questions. It was in buy 67.20 but got out early. End of day payouts. So let's look at it. Let's just look at it, guys. Pull it down here, look at it together. 150K account. Minimum profit day, you need $350 a day for 5 days. Once your balance gets to 154.6, you can take out $500. That's the minimum payout, okay? Your maximum payout is $2,500. So to take out $2,500, you need to get to 156.6. Okay, then you can take out $2,500 on the first payout, $3,000 on the second, so on and so forth. That's how it works. iJazz, $500. But you gotta have 5 winning days of $350. Man, am I going to buy this? Am I going to dare try to buy this ledge again on gold? I don't know. Yeah, no worries, James. No worries. Me, I'm always about minimums. So I'm going to take the money as soon as I can. Maybe I change my mind there if, you know, if it makes sense. But for the most part. Guys, if you haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Enter the giveaway !MM in the chat. All right, I'm going to take the long here and just take it off at like the 21. And we're going to have a hard stop down there. I should just place my order over here and leave it, to be honest. Should. I'll add on a pullback to the 800. The idea here is kind of a little bit of a breakaway, you know, here. And we kind of, little bit of a resistance turning into support. Let's see if that happens, if it plays out or not. Got a clear stop, so I'm okay with taking it. So, leave some for the rest of us, Philip. Leave some for the rest of us. Yeah, Jack, I know we're in an area where we could turn back down, but I think the immediate draw is 823, and I've got a hard stop in, so it's no big deal. We're in 1 micro, not risking very much. It'll be all right. We're just looking for a few points. Just a few points. The good thing is there's plenty to go around. Plenty to go around. Very small 5-minute candle here. Very small. 13-point ATR on the 2-minute. Oh, man, I don't know on this gold trade here. Do you guys think we play this range here again? I don't know. On gold? Oh, there we are. She banged. Hit the target there on the NQ. TPing here. Let's go. I like it. I like it, guys.
Like a couple of kids just trying to save each other.
Give you guys a little snippet. A little snippet. So you got a wick inside a gap here. Kind of a little bit of consolidation here. 854 could be on deck, but it's also kind of back to the middle, the midpoint of the session here. Little old Jamie Johnson. Yes, sir. It goes all over the place. That's what I'm telling you. The playlist goes all over the place. Kind of hungry tonight. Yeah. In color. In living color. No, wait. You get it. Only 113 likes, Miss K? That's it? Those are rookie numbers, guys. We got to pump those numbers up. Your belly's full and so's the toilet. Dang, Monty, you already get that looked at. You already get that thing looked at. Guys, remember 89% off Bulenox does in tonight. Code MM if you want to support the channel. The Fire Marshal burns were his best. You have 8 50K pro accounts that you copy trade. Yeah, Miss K's first day on the job, 100%. 100%. 100%. Gold's trying to make its way back to that 158 level again, but not quite getting there. Still holding up in that range. Oh, I got you 5. Got you. I wasn't going to question it. I just figured you might, be doing something on the slide, on the sly. I don't know. What up, JK? How's it going, guys? We need 16 more subs to get to 9450. I will be in Las Vegas next Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We're going to have a little brunch on Saturday. If you guys want to join us, you're more than welcome. Message me in Discord. You got to fill out the "I am not a psycho" letter form, and then maybe we'll tell you where we're at. IJS, yes. However, you'll still have the daily loss limit. What up, Coin Advocate? Welcome to the channel. You the man. We are trading NQ on the right. Here is NQ, MNQ, and GC or MGC over here on the left. That's what we got. Turd croutons. Trading those turd croutons over here on the right. It's okay to stretch the truth on that form, or do you have to be forthright? Well, probably need to be truthful. And we're going to have security at the door. They're going to pat you down. Can't have any assassins showing up, Earl's going back to 100, maybe. Little cavity search. That's right, design. We cannot forget the good old cavity search. Does Apex offer no activation fee? Nope. They have an activation fee on every account. They have an activation fee. And that's okay. Looks like this is squeezing to the 54. You're about to short Neo. Good luck. Why does micro E-mini Nasdaq look so different from your chart? I don't know. I'm on micros. I'm on the MNQ. What chart are you on? Well, I would either go with if you've never traded with Lucid, take this. I would probably go with the Lucid because you can get 50% off 2 uses right now. It's about $65 all in with no activation fee. It's a really good account. You can have 5 of those, but you can get 50% off on 2, 40% off on 5. And then you can either go with My Funded Futures or Take Profit Trader. I do think Take Profit's the best, but Lucid has the best deal right now. So, yes, iJazz, it is static at that point. What up, Tim? Yeah, Keegan, that's true. It could be a different time frame. I'm on the 2-minute time frame. So I don't know what you're on, but I'm on the 2-minute. 2 minutes. Payout rules, you got to have 5 traded days for $150 on the 50K account. And you can take out half your buffer. So if you make $2,000, you can take out $1,000. You just got to have $550 days, I believe. And there's no consistency rule if you are in the Lucid Flex in the funded account. If you're in the Lucid Pro, there is a consistency in the funded account. But yeah. Yours is micro meaning Nasdaq 100. I don't know what the difference is, to be honest with you, Coin. 50K rapid buy funded future account. Stop trailing above the buffer. Yes, above 2100. Coin, what platform are you on? I'm just using MNQ. Where's it at? MNQ. It's JH6, is that right? I think. Let's get off of so I'm just trading this one. MNQ H6. Micro E-mini Nasdaq 100. That's what I'm trading. And I'm on the 2-minute time frame. Yeah, flawless. You could go either way, right? You could go either way for sure. That's the thing, like, there's so many different options kind of at the top there that you can't really go wrong. Can't really go wrong. Hey, they moved our money from the Take Profit Trader. Another stellar entry on your part. Are you short? My Fund of Futures is goated. Let's go. Yeah, Larry, that's true. Could be CFD. If you take your payout down to 2100, does it go back to trailing? No. Once you're locked out on the drawdown, you're locked out. CJ Hance, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Yeah, it's because I was on the 2-minute. Yeah, you know, I like the 2-minute chart. I like the 2-minute chart. Jack wants to know, does anyone use top step? We don't use those words here, Jack. Let's go, design. They allow max contracts on gold? Maybe. What up, Hance? New to the stream. What indicators do I use and how do I use them to make trades? I don't really use my indicators to make trades. I have the yellow line is my VWAP. The white line is the 50 EMA. The red is the 21. The blue is the 9. I have pivot points on here, and that's really it. But I really don't use those to take trades a lot of times. Sorry, guys, I couldn't read that. I couldn't read that shit. I tried, but I couldn't read it. Oh. Let's go, Lost Penny. Nice job. I don't know, Raul. I don't know what happened. I was struggling reading. I couldn't read, guys. I couldn't read. Don't make fun of me. Man, gold just did not want to come back and give us another entry. I plopped another order down at 5158.1, and gold said nope. Oh yeah, that's what I was doing. It's gonna. Well, it's not like I can take it out, but let's go look. Let's make sure Take Private Trader did move the money over. I used to like them, but I'm not a fan. Like, I don't know. I still think they're okay. It's just I'm not a fan now that they force you to trade on Project X. Not a fan because of that, mostly. Although I didn't mind Project X when I traded it, but I like to copy across everything, and so it makes it a little bit more difficult. All right, got my money transferred over there. On Take Profit Trader. Holy cow, gold. Come on, man. I don't think we're going to get another entry on gold, guys. This does not look like it's going to do it. Does not look like it wants to do it. I mean, I will say this about gold. Like, I don't like the shorts, right? I don't take the shorts really on these ledges. But this, because we would be running the opening print, effectively fill in the gap, I think 191 would be a really interesting spot to maybe take a short. But I don't think I'm going to do it. Where's the link where I can pay and learn your trade models? Let me send that over to you. Hold on. The only way I can do that market move to freedom, I need to send you my Cash App link. First, you got to Cash App me $7,500, and then I will send you the link to my public YouTube, which I trade on free every day, where you could learn said strategies. So, if you're willing to send me that $7,500, I'll be more than willing to send you that free link. You don't hate it on your funded desk account, futures desk? The issues they have recently, connection scare you? Yeah. For the stream. But no, I don't sell anything market move. I don't believe that I'm a teacher either. I'm one of those people like, I just trade. I make mistakes just like everybody else. But you know, I am profitable, but not, you know, full disclosure, I'm not living off my trading profits or anything like that. We're living off our affiliates and also payouts that I don't make. Let's go. You tried them back in December when they had an outage and blew your account basically from a problem on their end and never got any type of compensation. Yeah, that sucks. Guys, if you haven't already entered the giveaway, !MM in the chat. If you want to enter on an alt account, I'm cool with that. You just got to subscribe and hit the like button. They might step on my tip. The kids are at the back of the class telling jokes, probably. She's holding me down like that. Of course, I don't get that money. That goes in her account, so, you know, I don't know how that works. Hold on, let me send her an invoice. No, I'm just kidding. Let's see if we get a text in a minute. What are we talking about over there? Guys, we're 15 subscribers away from 9450. I know you guys can make it happen. She might share your bill. The bills? Help me with the bills? Oh. What up, Dora? She pays her share of the bills, trust me. I mean, yeah, I don't pay everything or nothing like that. She makes her own, she makes money, so. I want to check out the 5-minute time frame over here on NQ. It looks kind of interesting to me. I'm going to look and see how this candle closes. Pretty death candle-y. 782 looks kind of like your first target. I'm going to mark this out on the 5-minute. I will take it if it can kind of break structure with some momentum here in the next one more candle. We'll see. Oh, the EMAs, Dora. White line is the 50. Red line's the 21. 9 is the blue line. So 50, 21, 9. Yellow line is the VWAP, the WEWAP, as Tom Sabo would say, the WEWAP. It's the WEWAP. So that's what we're looking at. Do I get some of the money? Probably not. We don't live together, so separate bills. We're attempting to move in together, but would you believe this? At this rental company that we're trying to rent from, we can't qualify for a rental house, but we can qualify for a mortgage. Make it make sense. So we can buy a house if there was one that would fit our needs, but they're saying we don't qualify to rent from them. We got a thick credit file, great credit history, great rental history, excellent income, and they're like, "Oh, you don't qualify to rent from us," because they're using some arbitrary score that they come up with, and they're saying that that our score is not good enough, even though, the income far exceeds the requirements, the credit score is high, the rental history is excellent, never been late, all the things. No criminal background, nothing. Nothing. 141 likes, let's go. Yeah, it's crazy, Rick. I mean, I don't understand it. If your name starts on the name, you can't rent. It makes absolutely no sense. I'll put it in perspective for you guys. The rent is $21.50. And you guys know what I make per month. I mean, I tell you guys that. So we make more than 10x the rent. I mean, we can afford this. We're currently paying at two properties $28.50 at 2 different properties total. So there's no reason that we can't afford it or anything like that, but they're using an arbitrary score that they're saying our score is not good enough. But our FICO scores, which is the scores that we use here in America for mortgages, they're well within the range, hers and mine both, for mortgages. The problem is there's no home out there right now that's kind of what we're looking for to purchase. However, this rental house can accommodate all of us. If you guys don't know, I have a large family. It can accommodate all of us, and so that's why we're looking to kind of combine the households. So, my fecal score, exactly. Am I on the Epstein list? Nope. Oh, yeah, trading for keeps. I just told him, I'm like, I don't understand that. It makes no sense. Absence makes the heart grow fonder. I'm not on the Epstein list. No. I literally have nothing. I don't know. We've never been late on a single bill, 10 years of great credit history. I don't understand it. That's why I told the lady at the place, is like, make it make sense. We can buy a home from you, but we can't rent from you. This makes no sense. Yeah, I want to take this, but I'm trying to wait on the candle to close on the 5-minute. I want to short this, but I need the 5-minute candle to close. Solo in the house. I don't really want to jump into this early, but like, dang, it's about to hit the first target already, which is kind of frustrating. There's the first target. All right, I'm getting in. I'm going to average into this. The 5-minute should close in a minute. But theoretically, I want to see this just run this entire trend line. That's the idea. 806.25. So 806.25 kind of up in there. I want to see some expansion here once this 5-minute candle closes in a minute. Bought a mini instead of a micro. Let's go, Doc Tito. Yeah, I'm into cars, Jeffrey, but not like as much as I was when I was younger. Seems like a dangerous spot. Well, breaking structure on the 5-minute. So we got a really clear trend line. Nice death candle close below the VWAP here. I'm kind of okay with this entry. It's definitely lower than I wanted it to be. It's definitely lower than I wanted it to be. Sold 24,816. Let's go. I like it. I like a lot of cars. I'm pretty much a fan of all cars. I like American muscle cars too, though. So the 5-minute closed. Again, we're going to average into this if we have to. If it doesn't bounce, we won't. If it bounces here, we will. You just got in short on MQ, guaranteed to rip straight up. Uh-oh, design. Don't do me dirty, design. Neo just longed. All right, Kevin. That might be the key. You're staring at a cruise line called Epstein Fantasy Cruise Lines, the entertainment lineup. Uh-oh. Where does P. Diddy, or not P. Diddy, where does R. Kelly fit into that? Captain June. Gold's starting to pull back here. We got 4 minutes until the top of the hour. Push back up to 800. We'll add into it. Something kind of like that. 769. R. Kelly is the bathroom attendant. Oh, you got a BMW? You like the BMWs like Sabo, Tom Sabo. The month of June will be here. 30 days of joyous celebrations. Phillips also a Beamer owner. Trader Husk is also a BMW owner, or at least his wife is. He likes the BMW as well. You know what they say, those damn BMW drivers. At least that's what I hear. That's what I hear anyway. Get back. Yeah, we were kind of bouncing at the 618. We did short a little on the low side, but I wanted to wait for the 5-minute to close for a little extra confirmation. So they are, I'm telling you, something else. They don't use blinkers. You drive a brown Datsun. Better my walk. Husk is rich. Husk is a multi-thousandaire. See, I'm only a multi-hundredaire. Hey, like 147, let's go. Tippity top, MMXM, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. We might create another ledge here on gold. Let's see. You're a multi-EBTer. He's got multiple EBT accounts. I knew I shouldn't have taken this short with Joom over there. Design. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it, guys. All right, we might create another ledge here. Scurry. No, you ride a bicycle? Let's go. This could get sketchy up here. We are at the top of the hour. 73 print. I'd like it. Man, do I want to take this on gold. It's awfully high. Pretty slow moving tonight. So Trade for Keeps, they moved my money out of the account. I took a daily payout. Oh, dang it, I wasn't even looking, guys. I took a daily payout. And I put it in my wallet. Darn it, it would have already hit. You guys see that? It would have already hit. I looked away for a moment. You got a TP soon and go feed yourself. Let's go. Design. You own a 21 G80 M3 and my wife owns a 23 X3. Nice. Why did I not take that gold? And this is the second time tonight and I did not drop the entry. And now it could just push through. That's 2 times in a row that it doesn't hit my level. 3rd time the charm. Actually, I just realized something. I have to wait for this candle to close. I'm over here trying to enter the trade. And the swing is not even created yet. Dummy. Phillips a multi-thousandaire. Shotgun sleep. Son of Wall Street. We might. 150 likes. Let's go. What up, M? You hit PT on TPT, just waiting on 5 days to elapse. Should I get Pro or Pro Plus? You can only get Pro, M. Clark. They move you to the Pro Plus once you hit a certain profit target. Flo Ritz, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. I'm over here trying to put a trade on and the freaking swing's not even made yet. What an idiot. The swing low, the swing is not made until the candle that made a low, obviously the next candle can't make a new low. So then that would create the swing. I'm an idiota. Guys, we need 12 more subscribers to get to 9450. Help me out. Yeah, Trev. A lot more viewers tonight. Or at night than during the day. That's the way it works. Maddie, you have a good night too. We got the bear flag of bear flags. So once this candle closes, then we can place the order. And then we can take it. It could look to come to the 800 area and continue lower. That's what I'm looking at, Jack. A little add, but I don't know. We're definitely shorting in a little bit on the low side. That's all right. Definitely a little bear flag here. All right, now that swing is valid. Now it's valid. You'll take a short on 810 if it gets there, but we just range for a while. Yeah. Well, we're at that time of night too where it's pretty sluggish. Pretty sluggish. I mean, we broke structure on the 5 minutes. That's kind of what I was looking at here on the short. It is a little bit low, but we do got trendline liquidities. You'd think we'd run it, but potentially. Potentially. This will be the last trade I take on gold, and I'm not even sure I'm going to take it, to be honest. Let me go ahead and take the micro gold stuff off. We'll take it and see what happens. It's not valid because you're still short. Design, I just need you to long. And then it'll go down for me. We just need you to long. I'm not hating on gold so low. I'm taking gold. We're trying to smash gold. Your average short is 786, so you're in a better spot than me. Hold it, it should continue lower. We'll see. Exclamation point MM in the chat, guys. Wait, why is that one different than this one? I don't know why that is. All right. See if we get tagged in here. This will be the last trade on gold. We don't get tagged in here in the next couple of minutes, we're going to be taking off. Used that pre-orb this morning and did pretty good. Let's go. Alfredo, like, I'm looking at the pre-orb in the pre-market now. It's been fine for the last 6. I think what I'm going to do is reduce size. And if it triggers pre-market, so instead of taking $200 for $400, I'm going to go 100 for 200. And if it triggers in the pre-market, I'm going to take it with a smaller size. That way, because like right now I'm avoiding it altogether in the pre-market. but it's been winning. So, you know, may as well give it a go. And a lot of times when it triggers pre-market, it actually doesn't trigger during the market hours. So usually it doesn't trigger. So at least I'm giving myself an opportunity to make some profit on it. Those free orbs, 80 more points. Real music, let's go. Yeah, I can give an overview of the orb. Wow, so the Lodge Card Club is closed in Texas? That's crazy. Search warrant was done there. But yeah, let me show you the pre-orb. I don't think gold's going to trigger, so I'm going to go ahead and flatten this, guys. I have another gold trade open somewhere. Where's that at? Okay, I already took it off. All right, good. Yeah, I'll show you. So I'm going to go ahead and move the gold chart off here. And I'll be able to show you guys the pre-orb. So the pre-orb is the high and the low between 9 a.m. and 9:15 a.m. So today, this is the one from, this is not today's, is it? Was today's 56 points? Oh, it was, yeah. So look at today. So the high and lows, the purple lines here. The high and low from 9 a.m. to 9:15 a.m. Eastern. So you can see at 9:20 this morning, we broke out. Now the thing is, this morning we had a data high here. So that's a data high. And then down here we had equal lows. So you had equal lows down here at 893. So you had liquidity on both sides this morning. But you're looking for a 56 point take profit with a 28 point stop loss. So half the gap is your stop loss. Half the gap's the stop loss, and you're looking for 2R. So the size of the gap is your take profit. So if you look here at 8:20 this morning, it broke out and it ran to that data wick and beyond. So that was a clear draw on liquidity, and it just broke out pre-market and ran. And all I'm doing is, once it's set, I only usually take it after the market opens, right? So you would just place an order at the high and the low, and you would take the breakout for whichever side it goes out of first. That's the idea. So you just take the breakout of it. So if it breaks out to the upside, you long. Looking for 2R. Got about a 55% win rate. And with 2R, that's printing money. This week, it is 2 for 2. Since today's trade technically didn't trigger because it was before the market opened, I don't count it. If it triggers, if we open up outside of the range, then within the first 5 minutes of the market being open, you would simply wait for it to come back into the range. Then you would drop your order for it to come back out that same side or the bottom side. Whichever side it breaks out of first after coming back into the range is the side that you take. But that's kind of a quick breakdown of the pre-orb trade. I've not made a video on it. I am going to make it very soon, though. I'm going to make it very, very soon. So, what is the blue line in my NQ chart? That's a pivot point. Or this blue line? Oh, that's the 15-minute opening range. So that's the low of the 15-minute opening range. That's the high from 9 to 9:15 or 9:30 to 9:45. But I'm not using those two lines. I'm using the purple lines, which is the 9 to 9:15. But I haven't made a video on that one. I've been trading that one with my funded accounts for about a month. And it's profitable. When does the giveaway start? Now, Brett. ! MM in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway. You can also enter on a alt account if you want to. I don't mind. You just got to hit the like button and subscribe. Oh, the moving average blue line. That's the 9 EMA. So the EMAs are, the yellow line is the VWAP. The 9 EMA is the blue. The 21 is the red, and the white is 50. And we're on the 2-minute chart here. This thing is like watching paint dry here. James with a $1.99 dono. Thanks, big guy. Let's go. You're welcome, James. I've heard, I can't guarantee it, but I've heard if you donate, it gives you good luck in the giveaways. When you say it's a head and shoulders pattern on the 1 and 2, it does look that way for sure. Right? It does look that way, right? Let me draw it out for you guys so you can see it. Looks like a head and shoulders pattern. What do you guys think? Head and shoulders? Oh, my art skills amaze me. Poco Trades, what's up? Now you guys are laughing at my art skills. All right, I'll draw it one more time, okay? This time will be better. There. There we go. That's better. Twig and berries. Oh, you brought 2 accounts using my promo code tonight. Let's go. You the man. You may be on the verge of blowing them up, but at least I bought 2 accounts. Oh, that sucks, Monty. 700 is next. I love 700. I like 700 is a great level. Christian, Nikolai, Anderson, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. The head and shaft formation. That's right. It is what it is, guys. But with all seriousness, it does look like a head and shoulders. You might get, I mean, in order for it to kind of play out, though, you might get that one more push back up and then go. We'll see. We shall see. Yeah, I think they could just submit. They just gave you the account, Poco. I literally just got a message like at 10:02, 14 minutes ago. Account issued. Account issued. So if you check your dashboard, it should be there. Log out, log back in. What up, Tamara26? Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription, you demand. You didn't get your sovereignty? Yes, you did, sovereignty. No activation fee, no cap. Into the futures, what up? Sovereignty. Oh. Did I get your email, Happy Kids? I think. Is there a way to adjust volume levels for Tradevate? You have one Tradevate that makes my ears bleed, but the others aren't as bad. Yes, Kevin. I don't know what it is. Yeah, Monty, that sucks. Exclamation point MM to enter the giveaway. Who was sent me a email? Happy Kids? Which one? I think I got your email. Let me see. Nope, that's not it. Let me see. I think I did. Let me see. I don't know. What I don't know. I don't see your email. When did you send me an email? Happy Kids. I'm not sure. Are you being serious? I think you said that yesterday, didn't you? I don't know. If you're serious, send me an email, but I don't know. An email about what? I'm not sure. I don't remember. Short-term memory loss. Short-term memory loss. Last night. You didn't win that last night, did you? Who won last night? Let me see. Hold on. History. Did you win last night, really? No, you didn't. You won on March the 10th. March the 10th. Did I not send that over? Did you send me an email? iTrades won, yeah. March 10th was last night? Maybe it was. Where was your email? Did I skip over your email? Or did I not get it? Woohoo! Look at that drop. Oh, I see it now. I was just overlooking it. Yeah, I see it. I didn't see it. Is the email that you're using... Okay, this is my email also. Okay, cool. Yeah, I got you. I got you, brother. I just forgot to send the message last night. Yeah, I see it. iTrades, yours will probably be tomorrow before yours comes. And there was one other person, I can't remember. Oh yeah. So it was iTrades and then this person. Who is this person? Oh, that's you. And then this person. All right, ES kind of approaching a support level here where we've bounced at a couple of times here, but I believe we're going to run this full trend line. So I'm going to take profit down there at 735. Let's go, Monty. Last time you won was 2025. Can I automatically win? Yes, you can automatically enter the giveaway. can automatically enter the giveaway. You're welcome. Guys, there's only 90 people in the giveaway right now. And my Batman, when do I sleep? After the stream. After the stream. Actually, I should take profit at 39.25. Let's do that. Let's just call it 40. We're going to call it 40. We're going to call it 40. Just run it. Sovereignty, quit saying you didn't receive your stuff, man. Come on, dude. Sovereignty 100% received his stuff. Oh, goodness. Oh, and just like that, happy kids, there's your account. You got it. Guys, let's get 5 more subscribers, and we're going to run the giveaway. Let's get to 9450. So, you know what to do. I'm not lying. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Oh, goodness. I can only go by what I'm told, Sovereignty. I can only go by what I'm told. I can only go by what I'm told. Look, Sovereignty, look. Look. Look right here. Hey, bud, I checked on this. The accounts I issued on March 4th and 6th both show traded on. Nothing I can do about it. They're saying you got both accounts and that you traded on them. I don't know what to tell you. Rory3, FLMXer. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. UA reports new wave of Iranian missiles. Oh, King Alfred, how's it going? Jonathan never received his either. This is the first account. I don't know. Create it. Let's go. I don't know, Sovereignty. I can only go by what they tell me, man. They are the ones that issue the accounts. And let me see, because they're saying they issued them on the March the 4th and March the 6th. So let me look and see if the email. So on March 6th at 10:27 a.m. I sent them the email and they said issued at 10:23. And then on March the 4th at 12:47 p.m. I sent it to him and he issued it at 12:53. So I don't know. I'll tell you what, Sovereignty, send me a screenshot of your accounts on your My Funded Futures dashboard. Send me a screenshot, and if you didn't have an account issued, if there's no account showing on the 4th and the 6th, I'll send them another email. But I don't want to keep bugging them if they really did issue the account. I mean, if it's a mistake, obviously I don't mind getting it fixed. But I kind of thought you were joking, to be honest. But if you're serious, then yeah, for sure, send it to me. Yeah, typically it's very fast. But yeah, if you're serious, then let me know. I trade, yeah, it's the Rapid. Yeah, the Rapid 50K. Yeah, I do the best I can to accommodate everybody. But if they're telling me they gave it to you, I have to kind of, you know what I mean? I have to go by what they say. But if it's a mistake, it's a mistake, and we'll get it fixed. But I did ask twice. I can show you. I can show you proof where I asked twice. Hey, Scott Weber, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Yeah, well, if you're being serious, Sovereignty, for sure, send it to me, and like I said, I'll send you the conversation that I had with him here. But he's saying that he issued one on the 4th and one on the 6th. I don't know. But we'll get it taken care of. You the man, I trades. Appreciate it. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and run this giveaway. You guys know what time it is. Let me see how many people are in here. We got 204 people in here, 190 likes. Let's get it to 200 likes. in the giveaway, the number right now is 181 in the giveaway right now. So you guys know the question. You guys know the question. The question is, you spoke to them today and they said you only got one. Well, here, I'll send him a message right now since he's asking. I'm going to say, why does it not allow me to reply? Okay, there we go. All right. There we go. I fired it off. I fired it off. Let's see what they say. Sovereignty. I fired off the message. I'll let you know what they say. You should just do shotgun anyway. The poll result never changes. Well, I just like to see, though. Out of your MNQ short. Let's go. Nice job. I'm still holding mine for glory here down to 740. Came pretty close to it there. 6 points away. All right, guys, are you ready? Are you guys ready for the giveaway? Are you guys ready? Looks like it's going to be shotgun. We're going to go 2-minute shotgun. 2 minute. 2-minute shotgun here. Shotgun, bang, 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 bang. So get your alt accounts up. Have you ever tried to have somebody try to scam you on the giveaways? Yes. Yes. Several times. And listen, I try to be fair. I try to be as fair as I can. Trust me. I've given accounts away, like bigger accounts, better accounts. Not better accounts, but we'll call them different accounts to accommodate people. Yeah, I've done giveaways where I say like, hey, if this isn't, you know, like don't enter the giveaway if you can't trade this prop. And people still enter and then ask for a different account. Happens all the time. But listen, at the end of the day, I'm getting the accounts for free, so I really don't care. You know, I try to accommodate everybody if I can. It's not like it's my account. You know what I mean? It's not my account. All right, guys. Well, let's check this message. There was an issue with one on March 4th. Okay. Okay, so Sovereignty, you were right. He's saying there was an issue with the one on March 4th. Let me know if he sees it now. Sorry about that. Sovereignty, check it now to see if it's there. But yeah, I thought you were joking, Sovereignty, 100%. I really did. So, I really thought you were joking. So, I didn't believe you would. I didn't think you were lying to me. Just to tell you that, I never thought you were lying. All right, guys, and let's go. Exclamation point MM in the chat, guys. You got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. It's approaching our target, guys. Are we going to get the bink? Are we going to get the bink? me take the ad off here. I mean, I may as well go ahead and move this down, right? Should hit. Oh, where did my... Trying to find the giveaway screen. There it is. You got 1 minute and 9 seconds, guys. 1 minute and 9 seconds. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Come on. Come on. You can do it. 45 seconds, guys. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Fine, I'll hit it for you. All right, guys, you got 20 seconds. Irving Miranda, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You demand. Let's go. That put us in green on the night on that account. Oh, god dang it. I'm sorry, guys. I keep clicking on the thing and it keeps taking it off. 5 seconds. Boom, look at that. Bam. Kevin, 8X. You have successfully won the giveaway that was rigged specifically for you to win. It's always nice when you can rig the giveaway for the person that you want to win and they win. You know? Always nice. Hey, Luis Rodriguez, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man, Kevin. Send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. Let me see if I can pin it here. Pin that message. Is he here? I mean, how's Kevin going to be the one to type rigged? Oh, Irv Dog, it didn't let you get in? You probably got in, Irv Dog. You probably did get in. Here, I'll look for you. You probably got in. It probably just didn't give you the thing. It does that sometimes. Let me see. Let me find Irv Dog. Irv Dog, where you at? I don't know if you got in or not. Nah, Kevin's not gone. Yeah, send me a screenshot, Kevin. I think you know what to do. You've been here long enough. Screenshot showing you're logged in, and then send me your My Funded Futures email. Sovereignty. Sovereignty, did you get the account, brother? Yeah, I think it lets you get in. I was just trying to find your name. I don't know if it... I was trying to... I was going to see if you were in there. Well, we do giveaways twice a day. So as long as you're here, you got a chance. You don't think Kevin meets the oh, Kevin. Do you meet the requirements, Kevin? If you've been here long enough, you know what the requirements are, okay? And I don't think Irvdal probably didn't meet the requirements anyway. All right, Rick, appreciate you. Is he taller than 5'3"? 2.5 inches, happy kids. If he's over 2.5 inches, he's got a 450 account. If he measures under 2.5 inches, he's good. He's good. Let's go, Coin. Nice job. You're 6'2", so under 2.5 inches. Got you. Got you. Anybody just hit you with their height like that, instead of verifying the length, when they just hit you with the height, you know it's small. And just so you know, Kevin, I'm 6'2" too. I am also 6'2". Just to end off the night, guys, I'm going to scalp here. I'm going to take a scalp. Just to end off the night. We're tapping into an hourly bullish order block. You're hung like a tuna can. Let's go. Micros, exactly. Micros. You blew your fundeds, Daryl? Dang, that sucks, brother. That sucks. I wanted to buy the 700, as you guys know. Thought process here is it might just bounce out of this level. So, what we say with Husk is it's very short, but it's as big around as a Coke can. That's where that nickname comes from. Okay? That's what we say about Husk. So, do with that information what you will. So, Coors Light can, now that's too long. Go and troll Husk. I mean, I don't know what you want to do with that info. But that information has been confirmed by his wife. We got the confirmation. Monty, based on your information, you can't see it. You can't see it. Oh, it's all good, Sovereignty. They said they just credited the account. Did you get it? Larry. Oh. Yeah, he said to check it now. Refresh. Refresh. Make sure you got it. So by that means like delete or disconnect your connection and reconnect and see if the account's there. Should be. All right, Kevin, I got your email. We're going to send Kevin's right now, too. Bang! What'd I tell you guys? What'd I tell you guys? Just for your amusement. Just for your amusement. Oh, so you're not seeing it there? Lucid is giving 30%. Yeah, Votron, that means that you've already purchased your 250% off and your 540% off. It's only good for 7 uses per customer, no matter what code you use. So unfortunately, you've already used yours. But yeah, chart dead, exactly. Hey, I don't laugh, man. I'm dead serious over here. Dead serious. Dead serious. So I'm messaging them now. I'm telling them that you're saying the account isn't there. All right, Kevin, your account's already there. The other 2 accounts that I owe you guys, those will come tomorrow. So iTrades and who's this other one? iTrades and Play-in. No, that's iTrades. Huh. Insanity. Navigator. All right. Y'all's will be there tomorrow because I'm doing that through a different way. Last day for Apex was yesterday. Today is 80%, I believe. Let's go, Kevin. Nice job. Last time you saw your pecker, it was on the back of a milk carton. Oh. Let's go. Volume imbalance at 740. Would it feel today? Yeah, it looks like it's going to. Oh, no worries. The next TPT giveaway is when we get 79 more sales. We need 79 more sales to get there. So you guys got to use code MM and we'll get there. Bulenox's 89% off sale does end tonight. And a matter of fact, since I'm thinking about that, I am buying a Bulenox account right now. Let's go ahead and purchase one. You got like an hour and 17 minutes before the sale ends. Account sign up. I'm not going to tell you guys what shitty code I'm using for Bluesky. Okay? I'm not going to tell you, man. This is a shitty code. It's nowhere near as good as MM. MM has a much higher win rate. Now, Bluesky has an activation fee of 148. However, you know you're getting a funded account, right? You know you're getting a funded account when you pay that. Okay, he said he reissued it now, Sovereignty. Let me know. Try it now. You've never seen me bust out and laugh or chart, Dad? I do. I laugh all the time, man. I laugh all the time. Apex is still 90% today? Really? I swear that I checked their website earlier and it said 80% off. Oh, this says new products. Okay, so maybe I misread it. Maybe Apex is. So Myth, M-Y-T-H would be the code. It says 85% off. Earlier when I looked, I swore it says 80. I thought it said 80. Awesome. All right, so 90% off or 85% off the end of day. 90% off the intraday. My code for Apex is Myth, M-Y-T-H. So, on that one. Moises, you're $60 to pass your account. Let's go. Do you think we can get that 403 area or the 650 area based on the daily chart? Oh, they extended it one more day. I got you. 403 or 650. I don't. I mean, like, here's the thing. Look at the hourly. What I got marked out on the hourly there, we have an order block. So, if we can start kind of grinding through this OB here on the hourly, then yes. But I kind of expect this. I expect this to hold. Let's rebalance this hourly gap here, back up to the 850, 900 area, and then maybe we can push lower. But if you're looking at this in terms of fibs, from a fib perspective, then yeah, it could probably go lower now. Because right now we're just at the 382. The 50% level's down there at 611. And then 468's even further down. But I don't know. It's really just going to depend on if we hold this level. We start chewing through this, then yeah, for sure I would look for the 400 levels to be touched. Maybe mid fours. But if we bounce here, then I think maybe a push back up could potentially happen there. We'll see. We shall see. $800 to get even. London takes us higher. Feels that way, right? 24,693 for a long. I like that area, Kevin. All right, if you guys haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe. If you're not yet subscribed, let me show you guys the P&Ls for the night. So, Bluesky funded account, $29. I paper-handed that one. My funded futures, $119. Traders launch, I took $192. I don't think I took a trade on this other one. Nope, that's it. So those are the trades. Those are the P&L for tonight. We'll be back tomorrow at 9:15 a.m. Retest of 23,998. It could happen. It could happen for sure. We'll be back tomorrow at 9:15 a.m. If you guys want to help support the channel, just remember, use code MM on all prop firms except for Apex. Apex is code MYTH, M-Y-T-H. Appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, hear army fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.